Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone slow after iOS 17 update. Is your iPhone slow after iOS 17 update, or does it bog down after a few hours, or reduced performance is more likely to happen with the older iPhone models? So today in this video I will tell you what to do to get back on the fast track. First of all, allow the software update to settle down peacefully. After the software update, it takes a while for the iPhone to settle down. During this period, you may notice issues like battery drain. Since it's normal behavior, there is no need to panic. Just give enough time to the iPhone to make peace with the latest software update with all new features. Now, step number 2 is restart your iPhone. Whenever you encounter a problem with the device, an excellent solution is to restart the device. For restarting your iPhone, first you have to go to your settings, scroll down and tap on General. Again scroll down and you can see your option shutdown. You can shut down your iPhone here and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, make sure that update all apps. Believe it or not, outdated apps cause several issues including unexpected battery drain and sluggishness. They are also more vulnerable to hacking and malware attacks. So if too many apps have not been updated on your iPhone for a while, chances are pretty high that they are playing villainous role. Then try solution number 4, update iOS. It's an important to keep the operating system to up to date. Being so insecure that you have the most recent performance update as well as the latest security fixes. Then try solution number 5, turn off local services. Local services is a huge power hunger feature that needs smart management, else it will turn out to be bricked in chief of draining the battery. The that's not all. The continuous location tracking can also cause your iPhone to overheat and even feel sluggish. For turning it off, first you have to go to your settings, scroll down, and tap on privacy and security. Now tap on security service. Now you can see here option that's location service. It is turned on. Simply turn it off. After turning it off, now turn off background app refresh. Background app refresh allows app to refresh their content even when you aren't using them. For example, Facebook can retweet posts for your viewers' new feed, or a new app can fetch the latest articles so that they are ready for you. As a result, this feature takes up processing time and internet bandwidth, which could cause the iOS 17 device to run a little slowly. For turn off background app, first you have to go to your general, tap on background and app refresh. Simply tap on background app refresh. Now you can simply turn it off. After doing this, now lastly you have to just do reset all settings. Reset has great track record when it's come to fixing common iOS issues. Therefore, it wouldn't be wise to give this reliable troubleshooting a miss. For resetting all settings, first you have to go to your general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.